guys, andito kami ngayon sa dockyard sa Bermuda Island. Babalik lang namin kasi inikot kami ng kababayan namin na OFW dito sa Bermuda at isa ring vlogger. Very festive dito ngayon. Dalawang cruise ship dito sa dockyard. Ang isang yan ay Norwegian Escape. At ang isa naman, yung cruise ship namin, ay Island Princess. Ngayong gabi, the crew and passengers of the ship are free to get in and out of the ship unrestricted. Kahit anong oras, pwede bumaba at saka bumalik. Of course, tine-check din kami sa gate going out and coming back in. Yan guys, si Mr. Benji at saka si Reggie at saka si Josephine na nag-ikot sa amin dito at naghatid ngayong gabi. Time check, it is 10 o'clock at night now. Si Reggie guys, gumagawa ng reels. At sa gayan, si Josephine Barcival Salazar ay isa din siyang vlogger. Dito guys sa dockyard makikita ang mga yate, magagandang yate, mga fishing boats at recreational boats. Very festive dito sa gabi, lalo na pag may dumating na mga cruise ships. Bermuda guys is generally a safe destination for tourists, with United States Department of State issuing a level 1 advisory, which means normal safety precautions. Pakyat na kami guys. Maraming salamat Josephine and Reggie sa pag-ikot ninyo sa amin. Salamat sa hospitality ninyo. At maraming salamat din guys sa inyong panonood. Salamat sa aming supporters, channel members, subscribers, and silent viewers. We will see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.